Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by preparing one clean USB drive and verifying you have admin rights. This prevents permission errors later. Once the drive is plugged in, open the Recovery Drive tool from Start, type Recovery, and choose the utility. Make sure to check drive capacity and that nothing important remains on the USB because the process formats it. Click Next to let Windows detect the USB. This first step sets permissions and storage correctly, so the rest of the build goes smoothly and reliably. Now choose the option to backup system files to the recovery drive. This includes WinRe and optional repair tools, which lets you reinstall or recover later. Once selected, Windows will create or locate the WinRe image and begin copying files to the USB. This can take several minutes depending on disk speed. Make sure the laptop stays plugged in and avoid sleeping. Monitor the progress bar for errors, and once copying finishes, click Finish to finalize the structure and safely eject using the system tray's Safely Remove option. Finish by safely ejecting the USB and labeling it with the creation date. This helps avoid confusion later. To confirm usability, reboot the target PC, enter BIOS or UEFI, set USB as first boot device, and test booting into Windows recovery environment. If the PC won't boot from the drive, make sure Secure Boot or USB Boot is enabled, try a different USB port, or recreate the drive on another USB stick. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the drive if WinRe files failed to copy. Don't reuse a suspect USB.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.